Yes, smart rings are great, but there's one huge disadvantage because of the electronics inside. There's no way you can adjust the size really, something which is technically possible with some other rings that you cut here and then remove or add some pieces. That's not possible with smart rings, but now there's a good solution, and that's this invisible smart ring size adjuster, and that's the brand here, and that's what we get. It's 160 pieces of different colors of these pads, you can see. So we have transparent ones, we have these beige ones, and we have the black ones, and they come even in different sizes. So for example, for this one here, which I've been wearing here on the right side, but actually wanted to wear it on the left side, but I've been losing some weight, and now I'm trying with the smallest piece here, removing this one here. Of course, make sure that you're not hitting an area where we have some sensors. Then properly align it here inside and then push it down. Of course, highly recommended to give it a nice thorough clean, that it's sticking a little bit better. But now let's put it back. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Definitely much better hold. Doesn't fall down anymore. And actually I can't see anything from any of these sides here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Of course, won't last forever, but if you lose it and need a new one, there's definitely plenty here inside. Yeah, I think that's a pretty cool solution actually. And so let's see the final result after 1 week. Taking this ring off, you can see still works really good, but on the other hand still holding my ring perfectly in place. So now I have the perfect sizing thanks to this invisible ring adjuster pads, and you can see after wearing it for full 1 week without replacing it. That's just the original pad which I've put on 1 week ago, and I even forgot actually to clean the ring here inside. I just put it here inside and it sits exactly in the same location. Trying to zoom here in a little bit, you can see it sits pretty much perfect here. Maybe one corner here has lifted up a little bit, but I think I had this already pretty much right from the beginning. I think I just didn't put it absolutely straight on, and again also I forgot to clean it, but it's pretty much exactly same as at the beginning. But of course you also want to know how comfortable it was, and it was really super comfortable. I usually haven't felt anything, for example while typing on a keyboard in the office or driving the car or doing some other stuff. I absolutely couldn't feel anything. The only way I could feel it when I was, for example, a little bit nervous playing around the ring, when I moved it like that, then I could feel the pad inside. Other than that, I haven't felt anything through the whole day, through the whole night, pretty much 24/7, except from showering. Yeah, usually I take it off for showering, not because I fear that something is going to happen, but it's a little bit uncomfortable to use it in the shower. Been hand washing with soap definitely 20 times per day. Lately we had a dog here, then hand washing maybe 30 times per day with soap, and using hand lotion after that was absolutely no problem. So with these 160 pads here, this would probably last for the next 10 years or so. I don't know, maybe not 10 years, but definitely years. And I actually could even use the other colors here as well, because it's definitely invisible. I mean, at least this one here has been invisible. Nobody said something, and I actually myself, I can't see it like that. And as far as I can see, it has also not changed the measurements of this smart ring. I've been comparing day by day and couldn't see any change. And so let's see if I can remove that after a week if I want. There's of course no need for that, but I just want to show you here if it's possible to remove it. And you can see it comes nicely off, but you can also see how hard this thing is sticking. There's maybe a little bit of glue residue inside. If you're just applying a new pad, absolutely no problem. If the pad is not needed anymore, you can easily just wipe it off. I didn't have to use anything else than just using my finger here and wipe it off, and I'm good again. And it helped me a lot. Never lost the ring again, which happened before when I just was holding straight down my hand. Then a couple of times the ring has been dropping to the floor. Hasn't happened again since I've been putting on this ring adjuster pad. So highly recommended from my side. So if you're already having this problem after losing some weight, or if you're not sure what size of ring to choose, then go with the larger size, and in worst case then use such pads and you're good to go. Absolutely awesome. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these pads, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.